Dorsal Carpal Arch. 6 questions and answers. Is the dorsal carpal arch made up of the radial arteries dorsal carpal branch and the ulnar arteries dorsal carpal branch? Yes, the dorsal carpal arch comprises the radial arteries dorsal carpal branch and the ulnar arteries dorsal carpal branch. Does the dorsal carpal arch give off arteries? Yes, the dorsal carpal arch gives off arteries. The dorsal carpal arch gives off arteries. How many? The dorsal carpal arch gives off 3 arteries. The dorsal carpal arch gives off 3 arteries. Name them. The dorsal carpal arch gives off 3 metacarpal arteries. Is the dorsal carpal arch located on the back of the wrist? Yes, the dorsal carpal arch is located on the back of the wrist. Does the dorsal carpal arch anastomose with the anterior interosseous artery and the posterior interosseous artery? Yes, the dorsal carpal arch anastomoses with the anterior interosseous artery and the posterior interosseous artery.